Hello, this is Siwing Yi from the Yi Real Estate Network. Welcome to this presentation, process and procedures to purchase in Central Florida. All right, so this is a very important video introduction. I'm going to share with you the high level presentation of the step-by-step how to maneuver through this particular portal, this website portal from our partner, Gene Gillum and Associates, our network partner in Central Florida, which has been helping our network members to purchase turnkey cash flow properties in Central Florida for the past 10 years. And the future is extremely bright associated with this market for all the reasons that you have heard from us over the years. So I'm not going to waste any more time about the benefits of investing in Central Florida, except is an amazing opportunity for the future as well. So let's cut to the chase. I'm going to share the screen and show you. All right, here we are. Hopefully everybody can see it. So this is the website for my partner, Gene Gillum, and the name of this website is realty-doctors.com. All right, so when you click on that, you will see this is a very good software platform. It's very user-friendly, and by clicking on various links, you will clearly see you're able to answer, it will answer a lot of your questions. Then, of course, the next step for those of you first-time investors working with us, the first thing is you must consult with me first. We can do a FaceTime or phone consultation at a time that's convenient to us, so I can get to know you, your motivation and your background and your financial resources, and to determine that you are serious to move forward. And once I consult with you, if there's a beneficial relationship to move forward, then I will connect you with my team, Gene Gillum and Wagner Ladasco, the partners in my Central Florida team. All right, so without further ado, let's go over. So this is a really, really very good website. So I need my reading glasses. And by the way, she represents the following areas at this moment, okay? And all in Central Florida area, which is Palm Bay, Florida, Ocala, Florida, Kissimmee/Poinciana, Florida, and Sebring, Florida. Did I miss anything else? That's pretty much it for right now. And in Kissimmee, Poinciana, she have duplexes for like 380K, which I will hopefully show you on this presentation. And then in Sebring, Florida, she has $300,000 duplex as well. But all the other areas are single family homes. Everything is new builds, new construction, and you just buy the lot, right? You pay like $5,000 earnest deposit to reserve your lot, and then allow the builder to build the homes in the next 6 to 8 months, hopefully shorter, but anticipate maybe some slight delays. But that's so. There you go. That's the process. Now, the next thing I want to share with you is now, of course, this is Gene and Wagner. And then there's a lot of great videos, a lot of links. As a matter of fact, something that I did not even realize, because her video link is a little bit hidden to the right. If you click on this link on your own time, you click on this link, you will see a lot of videos that you can watch that are produced by Gene and Wagner. So let's click on this link. You will see. Okay, I'm not gonna play it, but you can watch this 5-minute video. Then under over here, there are different topics of videos on your own time. Please watch them, because it's all of them are very pertinent, obviously. All right, so with that in mind, let me go back to the previous. If I can exit out somehow from here. Oh my goodness. Did I do this right? What did I do wrong? Okay, let me exit out and come back to the normal screen. All right, here it is. All right, then now, for example, if you want to, if you find a property that you want to reserve, then all you gotta do is click, you see, let's do Palm Bay, right? So click right here, click on this button where this picture of the Palm Bay property is located. And then you will see, you know, all the information. But to make this presentation shorter than normal, you know, which I intend to do because I do not want to drag this out. Some people's attention span is fairly limited. So, and most importantly, click on the cash flow pro forma. I know at first glance you will it's kind of hard to see the number, but if you click once and this pro forma cash flow analysis increases in size, so you can see the numbers very clearly. And as a matter of fact, this interest rate projection at 4%, which this pro forma was done last year in 2019, but now giving this historical interest rate, the mortgage interest rate to buy this single family home at 25% down payment is like 3.2, 3.3%, which is it's like free money, like you're borrowing money for free almost. So don't take it for granted. Your ability to leverage and get financing at such a historical low rates will give you higher cash flow, right? It will lock in your loan for the next 30 years, which is amazing leverage opportunity to make your returns go higher. So the number is just off the chart. I mean, some of you been my members for a long time. You know, I look at the I hate to be so technical. I look at the capitalization rate, the cash on cash return, the rent to value ratio, which is a little bit less than 1%, like 0.8% or 1% is my rent to value ratio. If the cap rate is higher than 5%, you will get cash flow at 25% down payment, for example. And then, and that's a benchmark, right? And then the cash on cash return, if it's 8% or higher, that should be very good. And then the total return on investment is at least 20% when you factor in the annual net cash flow for the first year, and then the annual appreciation projection for the first year at 2, 3, 4%, and you pretty much you will get around 20% total ROI. So I'm not here to dwell on that, but the numbers on this kind of properties are really off the chart. But on this property in Palm Bay, for example, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, like 1,700 square foot, and like I said, selling for $225K. Then you put 25% down payment, and with the interest rate was like 3.2%, and then you minus your mortgage, taxes, insurance, and property management fee. Even though the amount listed at the bottom, the monthly net cash flow is pretty good still, 388 on the low amount, at 1,650 or $1,800 at the high rental amount. You can get anywhere from almost $400 to $530 monthly net cash flow. But giving this is a 4% projection, which is wrong. They need to change it. If it is a 3.2% interest rate, then your monthly net cash flow will be anywhere from $400 something on the low end to almost $600 on the high end, right? So, which is amazing, right? So very good cash flow, very good appreciation potential. So right now you see the process. Okay, so what else I have to do right now? So this is just one example to go over. Of course, there are other properties you can look at. So let's look at, I don't want to spend too much time. Uh, they are kind of similar. So if you, let's say you want to evaluate the duplex, the new construction duplex in Kissimmee, Poinciana. So just click on here, right? And you see all the additional details, how much it costs, this and that, reserve the property, or put on a waiting list. By the way, at least right now, uh, the, the lots are coming available on all these locations as we speak. And then if you click on the reserve and put your name and email, whatever on there, we got your name, we're going to be on the priority wait list. So within a few weeks or a month or so, when the lot comes available at a particular location, then, Gene Gilliam's team will contact you and help you to find the lot, and then reserve the lot, sign the contract, pay your earnest deposit to the title company, sit tight for the next 4 to 6 months or slightly longer, then watch your property increase in value during the construction phase, right? Hopefully, normally it can happen. So again, let's go the pro forma cash flow analysis on this duplex, and then click once and you will see an enlarged version of the pro forma. So especially for me, a little bit older, it's hard for me to see. I need a reading glass still. So here we go. This duplex in again selling for 380K. We're talking 3-bedroom and 2-bath on each door, each side, which is quite nice. All right, and 27, almost 2,800 square foot on the whole building. So each unit is like almost 1,400 square foot. So that quality construction is really, really good. I'm not going to go over the details. There are other videos with that comes with that. But again, 380K is the purchase price. As investors in this network, you're getting a discount. Normally, this property at retail is higher than what you're going to pay for. The retail at approximately 399K. So right away, you have a walk-in equity of like 20 grand at least by reserving the lot and locking the purchase price, right? So, and then all these are projection, by the way, like just like anything else. So you do the loan amount to buy a duplex is probably 3.4 to 3.5%. So this is the right calculation, the right mortgage projection on this particular property. So then of course your monthly mortgage and then your property taxes. As you can see, the property tax is only slightly above 1% of the purchase price. That is really good. That'll give you a higher cash flow, because in other areas of the US, the property tax rate is higher than 1%, as you might imagine, right? And then the insurance is quite low on this, large duplex. The monthly insurance is only $85, not that much. And then the HOA is a slight HOA for $42 a month. No big deal. And then you get an 8% property management, which is great, right? And you get a discount as well. So when it's all said and done, you look at the projected rent, 3,100 on both sides, both doors. So divided by 2. So each door will rent for $1,550, almost $1,600. We're talking, if this duplex is 380K, each side is 190K, right? If each side is 190K and each unit rents for 1,550, clearly, the rent to value ratio is very attractive, because you are meeting the almost 1% rent to value ratio. All right. So therefore, with it all said and done, given this projected rent of 3,100 on both doors, and then your monthly net cash flow is, as you can see down here, is $884 monthly net cash flow after all the deductions on a monthly basis. So all these numbers are very attractive. It's a new construction, growing area, and very easy to rent. Tremendous amount of renters want to rent new homes. So I mean, just everything looks very, very favorable in the Central Florida, one of the country's fastest growing real estate market. So all right, so I'm not going any further. I mean, you just have to maneuver through the website yourself. So again, any one of you that are interested in buying Central Florida, I highly encourage you to listen to this, my 10-minute or so, this video, so you can clearly see what to expect and so forth. All right. So other than that, I think that's all I have to say at this moment. So thank you so much for attending. It's a tremendous opportunity to put your money into Central Florida market. And the first step is, as always, contact me for a phone or FaceTime consultation. And then once after that, to take the next step, I will put you in contact with my Central Florida team of Jim Gillum and Ragnar Ladasco, and then they will help you get the lot and do everything for you passively, turnkey, uh, remote, safe investing for the long term cash flow and appreciation and wealth building in this Central Florida market. Thank you so much for your time. This is Siwin Yi once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.